Ал енді балалар, бүгінгі сабағымызды бастаймыз. Today, lesson topic, way emotion. Ал енді сабақты бастамас бұрын біз сендермен терминологиялық сөздікпен таныс болайық. Terminology for lesson. Бірінші екі сөзді бізде оқиды Нұрай.
Wave motion.
Wave motion.
Mechanical waves.
Mechanical waves. Good. Так, next. Next.
Transverse wave. Longitudinal wave.
Longitudinal wave. Yes. Good. Next. Balloon.
Wave plunge.
Wave plunge.
Wave sprint.
Wave speed. Wave. Сонымен бүгінгі сабақта қолданатын сөздеріміз толқынды қозғалыс, motion, механикалық толқын, mechanical waves, көлденең толқын, transverse wave, бойлық толқын, longitudinal wave, толқын ұзындығы, balloon и толқын жылдамдығы, wave speed. Назарыңыз. Қандай болсын. Бұл жерді.
Ever seen a Mexican wave at a sporting event? The effect is a pretty cool display that goes all around the stadium, but no one has had to move seats. All waves can transfer energy from one place to another without transferring any matter. This is done by a series of disturbances or vibrations in vacuums. There are two types of waves, which we look at in more detail in another video, but the basic features are the same. These four words describe different properties in units called hertz. Hertz measure how many complete cycles per second, so how many people in our Mexican wave stand up every second. The frequency and period are often confused. The frequency refers to how often something happens, whereas the period refers to the time it takes to happen. And refer to the time for the event to repeat itself. The period of the Earth to orbit the Sun is 365 days. The period of a day is 24 hours. The period of a typical class at school is 45 minutes. Now for wavelength. The wavelength is the distance between a point on one wave and the same point on the next wave. For example, two peaks or two troughs. Wavelength is given the symbol lambda from the Greek letter and is usually measured in meters. Wavelengths can vary hugely in size. X-rays are very short. Waves travel. They create disturbance. The amplitude of a wave is the distance from the maximum disturbance to the undisturbed position. Think of a very flat sea and then an incoming wave. The amplitude is the height of the top of the wave from the flat sea. Can you add the labels to these waves and work out the frequency? Notice that the top one is distance and the bottom one is time. Pause the video, work it out, and click play when you're ready. Did you get them right? In another video, we'll be looking at wave speed equation and connecting wavelengths and frequencies. But now, we just need to know what these four key words are.
Бейнебаяннан сендер толқындық қозғалыс туралы көп информация алыңдар. Ол жерде толқынның несі туралы айтылды? Жиілігі, периоды, амплитудасы, толқынның түрлері айтылды. Енді осы көрген видеоға байланысты мынандай менде сұрақтар туындады. Осы сұрақтарға жауап берейік. the question. Question number 1. Define wave motion. Define wave motion apply.
The process of propagation of acceleration in a medium in called a wave.
Yes. Thank you. Anna, please.
Mechanical wave are transient and longitudinal.
Is it right?
Yes.
Good. Question number 3. In what medium do longitudinal waves propagate? Mira, please.
Longitudinal mechanical waves can be in media, solid, liquid, and gaseous.
Is it right?
Yes.
Very good. Question number 4. In what medium do transverse waves propagate? Ainora, please.
Mechanical transverse waves propagate only in a solid medium.
Yes. Good. Against the groups. Please. Work with books. We have 5 minutes. Start. Have you finished? Yes. Great. Let's solve the problems. Let's go. Start. The groups. We have 7 minutes. Let's go. Start. Group number 1. Problem number 1. Group number 2. Problem number 2. Group number 3. Problem number 3. Yes? Have you finished? Yes. Please do me. Sir.
Determine the length of the sound wave at a frequency of 200 Hz if the wave propagation space in 330 meters. So let's play. So it's 1.7 meters.
You finish?
Yes.
Go on. Let's go. Pedro.
Determine the distance between the second and the fifth, where fifth is the wavelength is 0.6 meter.
0.6 meters. Yes.
Distance equals 1.8 meter.
Understand?
Yes.
You finish? Understand this three?
Yes.
Hold on, please.
Given is the distance between the nearest place in the sphere is 10 meters. What is the frequency of wave impacts on the hull of the boat if the wave speed was 3 meters second? We write the formulas and decision is frequency equal divide 3 by 10 and we got 0.3 and answer is frequency equal 0.3.
Ал енді балалар, сендер міне 3 топ болып есептен шығардыңдар. Енді осы есептерді жауаптармен тексерейік. Ал қараймыз. Бір шықты ма?
Yes.
Тоқтар. Reflection. Тұрамыз да мынаны алып жабыстырамыз. Сөз бағам берілген балалар. Координатаны қайсы сендерге сабаққа ұнамды болды, соған сізге рахмет. Үйге тапсырма 29 параграфты оқу, сонда есептерді шығарып түсінікті ғой, иә? Енді қазір қалған уақытымызда бір жұмысын орындаймыз. Рахмет сендерге.